Cyst is defined by Kramer as a pathological cavity having fluid, semi-fluid or the gaseous contents, and it is not formed by the accumulation of pus. The cystic contents include lumen, cystic lining and the connective tissue capsule. Development of cyst takes place in three phases. It includes phase of initiation, phase of cyst formation and phase of enlargement. Infection of dental pulp leads to the periapical infection, which in turn stimulates the cell rest of the malleus present near the root apex of the teeth. Bulk of cell rest of the malleus is produced. Its peripheral cells get adequate nutritional supply, but the central cells deprived of it. So, a liquefaction necrosis takes place. This way, cyst is formed. Small cyst is formed, it enlarges by following mechanisms like higher osmotic tension of the cystic fluid or the bone resorbing factors like prostaglandins and collagenase facilitate the expansion of the cyst. Caused radiographically by the presence of radiolucency along with the sclerotic border. If it is less than 1.5 cm, then it is called as the granuloma. More than 1.5 cm, then it is cyst. And if it is not present with the well-defined margins, then it is abscess. Radiolucency along with the sclerotic margin is the only diagnosis for the cyst. Aspirating the fluid, it shows straw-colored fluid or the crystalline appearances, and by histopathologically we can confirm the diagnosis of the cyst, which includes lumen, lining and the capsule. Now the treatment. It includes the complete removal of the cyst if it is small, that is enucleation, and if it is larger in size, then we will do the marsupialization, in which a large window cavity is formed. The interior surface of the cyst is sutured along with the exterior surface so that the fluid or the abscess, if it is present, then it may drain out on its own.